Hi, myself I'm Kanimori. So I'm a professional CAD design engineer. So I had an experience in industry also. I handled a lot of industrial projects. So modeling and then structural design also. So here CAD Center, we are providing a lot of industrial oriented courses like Revit MEP, Revit architecture, and for especially interior designing there is a 3 days max course and with V-Ray. And in structural department, so we are providing Stat Pro, ETABS, and then Tekla detailing courses also we are providing. So these are full of in industrial oriented applications also. So இப்போ Stat Pro software used by ஒரு student, he is Mr. Vignesh, he is my student. ஸோ இவர் வந்து ஸ்டாட் ப்ரோ கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. ஸோ கம்ப்ளீட் எண்ட் ஆஃப் த இப்போ கோர்ஸ் வந்து 1 month டியூரேஷன் கோர்ஸ் போச்சு. ஸோ அதிலிருந்து கம்ப்ளீட் எண்ட் ஆஃப் த செஷன் ஹீ ஸ்டார்டட் அ நியூ ப்ராஜெக்ட் in that software. So he will explain. So welcome Mr. Vignesh. So let's explain your.
Hi all, I am Vignesh V. I finished my BTech Civil in the year 2020 and I joined CAD Center for taking courses like Stat Pro, ETAP, AutoCAD, Revit architecture, and I have finished Stat Pro, and the duration of the course was 1 month, which was guided by engineer Kanimori. And after finishing the course, I did a project which is named Oregano, and the building which I did is a residential project. And the steel I have used, the grade of steel I have used in this project is Fe415, and the grade of concrete I have used in this project is M25. And after finishing the structural analysis, I took the report based on the structure of this project. The detailing of the project and the structure details are given in this project, where we give shear, bending moment, the stress, and the type of steels used in this project, the size of steel, and the grade of concrete, number of steels, AST, that is area of steel, and the different types of members, that is beams or columns, which are given in both rectangular form and circular form. This is the deflection of the beams. And the next is where we are given shear bending, properties, load analysis. This is the shear bending, in which the load cases given in this project is dead load, live load, seismic, wind. And the next is this gives the total structure stress in the plate, where it is given in a model of maximum absolute force of Newton per mm square. The values given in this maximum absolute form is lesser than 0.001 to greater than 0.482. This is the rendered picture of this structure after giving properties, the thickness of the plate, and this is the analysis given according to the stress, and this gives the stress that acts on a beam. This is the number of steels used in a circular form of concrete, and see the yield strength of steel used is 415 and the yield strength of concrete used is 25. The required area of steel per mm square is 6283. The design code used in this project is IS456. This is the deflection of the beam after getting the analysis of this report. Thank you. This is my second project, which I named it as Alpha E, and I got inspired from my dream, which is a creative project, and this is a residential type of project. And இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this is 8 floors rise building, and in this also we have given the stress bending moment, shear stress, all 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 the detailed structures about structural design. And the type of loads given in this structure is also the similar to the last project, like dead load, live load, seismic and wind. And wind is given as per the areas thing, like distance in x, distance in y, and distance in z. Okay. the the reinforcement given in the circular column is this, and the grade of steel used is 4 and 5, and the grade of concrete used is M30. And this is the details of a rectangular column, where it shows the number of steels and the type of steels given. And this is the deflection of this structure. We can gain structural based details such as stress, deflection, bending moment from this software. And this is the maximum absolute representation, which is given in various colors. Each color represents a value which starts from lesser than 0.018 and ends with greater than 0.403. And this is the shear bending of this structure, which is taken from a beam in the structure. And this is the render image of this structure after giving properties such as beam, column, and plates. I have finished stat row still now, and I'm now it's going on with AutoCAD and ETABS. Still I have to go on with Revit architecture, then MSP, then RCDC, Revit structure, and 5D BIM Navis work. When I came to this center, I don't know about any drafting knowledge and skills about drawings done in a system. Only after finishing this college, I had only field knowledge, like in a site what all we can do, only that. But knowing about the structure details and the thing an engineer can do can be gained from the center. Still no, after finishing Stat Pro, I have known to get analysis of the structure based on the steel, the type of steel used, and the type of stress and forces applied in a member such as plate and beam, and the area of steel used in this project, and grade of steels that can be used in this project, and the type of concrete can be used in this project. And the thing is, we have to coincide with the design book where we use in this field, and we have to apply the design code like IS 456, 1893, 2002, part 2005, and each thing has a different type of code books. Like steel members have different type of code book, and concrete materials like beams and all have different type of code books. And while coming to the foundation, in that we use different type of code books, and I'm very proud to gain knowledge from CAD Center. It's very useful in both field and office work, where we can implement our creative knowledge in system, and we can get it in the site, get the output in the site. Thank you so much.
So thank you, Mr. Vignesh.
Thank you.
ஸோ அப்கமிங் கோர்சஸ் இன்னும் ஐ மீன் அவருடைய கெரியர் வைசஸில் இன்னும் நிறையா நெக்ஸ்ட் சாஃப்ட்வேர்ஸ் லேர்ன் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காரு. ஸோ லைக் நேவிஸ் ஒர்க் அண்ட் தென் ரிவிட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர், ரிவிட் ஆர்கிடெக்சர் லைக் தட். ஸோ இன்னும் ப்ரொஃபஷ்னலாக அவர் வந்து நல்லா மோல்ட் ஆகிடுவார். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஆல்.
தேங்க்யூ.